Why aren't you losing weight on intermittent fasting? There are 5 reasons that I have for you today. And let's start with number 1. You're insulin resistant. And now I'm speaking to mainly ladies. Once you hit over 35 or 40, that is a hormone imbalance issue that usually arises. And so you have to get this under control, and the way of doing that is by exercising more. And also you need to go and check with a doctor, like a holistic one, and have them check your blood work and see where it's at. Because once you can get that under control and doing more movement and exercise as well, you will see a difference. Number 2, you know you're eating too much, okay? And you're partying hard. You're going to those social events, because I know I do. You're out there eating all the foods that are a lot of sauces in it. It's very rich, there's a lot of sugar, and also the occasional alcohol, and maybe binging a little bit. It's just some of you, not everyone, but that is certainly a reason that you're not losing in intermittent fasting. You have to eat in. Number 3, I can't stress this enough, people. You are not getting enough sleep. I am one of those, because I have a lot of things going on, and I know you have to tell yourself to get to bed. You need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Maybe the men can get away with it doing a little less, but us women, we really need it. You will see the difference, and you'll hang on to that weight if you're not getting enough sleep. And that's when the body is healing and doing its work. Number 4, stress reduction. You have to reduce it. Once again, your hormone imbalance, the cortisol levels go up when your stress goes up. So look at your career, your relationships, your family, anything that is causing you grief, you have to eliminate it, at least get it down to a minimum. And if that means you have to stop seeing people that are causing you any extra stress, then that's what you do. Take a break from them, and you will see a difference in your weight loss journey. And number 5, the last one, your macros may need to be tweaked. And what I'm saying about macros, you'll see that in some past videos of what I do when it comes down to the breakdown of my macros. So that's your fat, your protein, and your carbs. During extreme times when you're really trying to get back on track to lose that weight, you want to keep those carbs low. And when I mean low, it's about 10 to 20%. Cut the rice, cut the pasta, exchange it for things like squash, berries, more veggies. And that's all I got for you today. And don't forget, caregiving begins with you, and you can do it.